Check this out. If you've never heard of diamond stacking, it's because I've just named it. Some of you are working too hard and not strategically. Let me show you what I mean. In the last 5 days, ranks 51 through 100 controlled 24% of the diamonds and total payout on the platform. That tells you something right there. The middle of the pack is fighting and struggling to maintain that position every single day after reset. Let's say you closed yesterday at around rank 26. To make the same one rank jump today, you'll need roughly 2,000 to 5,000 more diamonds. It doesn't sound like much until you need to do it 6 days in a row. That's 12,000 diamonds just to maintain your momentum. That's what people burn out. Diamond stacking means you hit your normal daily goal, but you also know your magic number, the exact gap required to move up one rank. You stack that number and you stick with it. Are you realistically making podium today? Or should you stabilize your position and build leverage where you're currently at?